So I'm here with Sean, who's head of production, and Sean, why don't you tell us what's in one of our kits? This is a 5-user Pico kit.
We've got G3s, cables, branding, laser cut, smart charging solutions. They only pull power when the headsets need power to protect their batteries. Protective foam to keep them safe.
So Sean, with regards to software, what can we expect to see on the kit?
Our full education suite of software for education customers and any software any businesses or enterprises might need.
So these G3s aren't the only headsets that we do. What others do we have available?
We have all current Meta, HTC and Pico headsets, along with custom cases for any business needs.
So you mentioned the branding before. What can you tell us about that?
We offer 2 types of branding, laser cut and acrylic. Laser cut, obviously, your logo would be cut out in different materials. Acrylic comes with a single acrylic piece. It'll have your logo and name or anything you need.
And we can also have it on the headset, as you can see here. Well, that all sounds really exciting, Sean. Thank you for talking us through these kits, and thank you for watching.